Hello guys, welcome to another day of my life, and today is all about my mom hair. I'm gonna be dyeing her hair, and today it can be everything go right or everything go wrong. Basically, I'm guessing what to do over here, even though I do this before, but long time I don't do and use this type of dyeing hair things, so I don't know why I'm scared. But anyways, let's see how this goes, and I hope my mom don't kill me for this. Actually, my mom agreed to let me take over for her for today, so now there's no turning back. She's putting all her trust on me, which honestly feels like a lot of pressure. Anyway, I got everything ready and I tried to set everything very carefully step by step. Now I'm gonna start putting the dye in her hair, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so far it's going well. I cover most of the front because she want me to focus on the front, but I'm trying to fix this mess because I don't know what my mom has been doing with her hair. But anyways, we just laughing and talking, and I try to do my best. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so now the hair is wet and we took all the dryer already. It looks like it covered most of it. I'm happy about it. I tried to do my best. So, oh, no more gray hair so far. So now let's see how it looks when we dry it. Alright, so this is how we look when I did my first shot. Now let's do the final step and stay tuned for the last result. All right, I see some progress. It's coming out nicely. So let's keep it up. It is finally the time reveal. So now look at this shiny hair, styling grays, and no gray hair. So nice and neat, shiny. If you guys like it, let me know in the comments how I did it, and I'm proud of myself. Look, and my mom is happy as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.